The Huawei FreeBuds 6 was launched by Huawei in March. We apologize for the delay of this review. Anyway, we have reviewed many earbuds recently, and the reason we recommend it is not only because of the wearing experience of such a semi-open earbuds. After using them, we found that it is indeed different from traditional semi-open earbuds. Traditional semi-open earbuds often have some shortcomings in sound quality and noise cancellation. However, the Huawei FreeBuds 6 attempts to break these limitations. This time, the all-around upgraded audio and noise cancellation capability may bring you a different experience. The charging case is in a round and smooth pebble shape, which is vertically slender. It is small and easy to carry. There's an LED indicator light on the front to show the charging status and a USB-C interface at the bottom. The unique appearance design makes FreeBuds 6 stands out among many earbuds and shows a fashionable and elegant temperament. The earbuds continues the water drop shape from previous gen. However, the size of earbuds has been reduced by 12% and the weight of each earbud has been reduced by 9% to only 4.95 grams. It fits more closely to the ear canal curve. The earbuds are available in black, white, and purple. If you do not like the white one in my hand, you can also choose purple. It represents a unique gradient effect in the light, which is very fashionable. What is particularly special this time is that the Huawei FreeBuds 6 combines an 11mm dual magnetic low-frequency unit with an ultra-high-frequency microplane unit. This dual unit design is relatively rare in semi-open earbuds. What kind of changes with this bring? Let's first take a look at its frequency response curve. The high frequency is clear and gorgeous. The low frequency has an atmospheric feeling but is not flat enough, and the mid frequency has a timbre. However, the frequency response curve is just for reference. More importantly, it is the actual listening experience. Of course, we also want to know what the actual performance will be like if we compare it with the AirPods 4. Now let's listen together.
Mend your pace, sway to the beat. Hands up, embrace who you wanna be. Mend your pace, sway to the beat. Hands up, embrace who you wanna be. We're reaching heights unseen. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Feel the fire deep within. You're the key to where my trust begins. Join my dream, it's just the right time. Oh, oh, oh. Leave it all behind. Get ready now. Rise up into my world.
What do you think? In terms of a mid to high frequency, thanks to the ultra high frequency microplane unit, the resolution is outstanding and it can clearly show the timbre characteristics and the performance details of the instruments.
With no shackles, then what fetters my fate? Blown away the white petals, leave me trapped in the cage. The endless isolation can't wear down my illusion. Someday I'll make a dream unchained. Let my heart bravely spread the wings, soaring past the night to trace the primal light. Let the clouds heal me of the stings, gently wipe the sorrow off my life. I dream.
However, the shortcomings of the low-frequency part are also obvious. Although the 11mm dual magnetic low-frequency unit can provide a certain degree of a sub-bass depth, compared with some earbuds that focus on heavy bass, the quantity is slightly insufficient. In addition, FreeBuds 6 uses a sound field reconstruction technology to make the sound field more open. In the app, we can choose 3 different spatial effects. When you're listening to music, you can feel a richer sense of space. At the same time, the earbuds support 2.3 Mbps lossless transmission. Combined with Huawei's unique tuning technology, it can bring you a high-quality music experience. We also did a short test on noise cancellation.
CA1732 to Hangzhou. Passengers for this flight.
Huawei FreeBuds 6 adopts a hybrid active noise cancellation technology with a maximum noise cancellation depth of up to 45 dB. In an office environment, it can effectively isolate the keyboard sounds and conversation sounds, providing users with a relatively quiet working environment. I think this is very practical for users who often use earbuds outdoors. These earbuds relies on the Harmony OS system and has a series of powerful smart features. The earbuds support the Near-Link Quick Find feature. If you're a Huawei phone user, congratulations! When you use it with a Huawei phone, you can enjoy exclusive sound effect optimization for free, further improving the sound quality experience. To me, the battery life of the earbuds indeed needs improvement. When I listen to music with the noise cancellation on, the earbuds last about 4.5 hours and only 24 hours with the charging case. Since I often use noise cancellation for a long time, such battery life is not enough for me. I need to recharge it very often, which I find inconvenient. However, there's fast charging. It supports 88-watt super fast charging, and a 5-minute charge can provide 1.5 hours of use for the earbuds. Emergency recharging is quite convenient. If you are a Huawei phone user or an Android user and you value the smart features of earbuds, such as Near-Link Find and AI real-time translation, as well as having high requirements for mid to high frequency and vocal performance in sound quality, then the Huawei FreeBuds 6 would be a really good choice. And its current price is $159. If you want to learn more or make a purchase, you can click the link down below. This is Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.